Hi everyone, welcome back to Spark Plugin's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a one-page website on Squarespace. Don't worry, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this. First thing you're going to do is select a template, and you can get a free template on Squarespace. So you can go to this page on Squarespace where it has a bunch of free templates. I will add the link into the caption so you can access it directly, but I'll also add the link to our blog post where it goes step by step on how to make a one-page website. So what you're going to want to do is under type, you're going to want to click one page because it'll give you a selection of one-page websites, and you'll have a couple different options here on one-page websites that you can choose from. Our favorite is Fletcher. We just really love the look of it. And from here, you can change the color preset. If you wanted it to be like more minimal, or you wanted a little bit of a boldness to it, whatever it is, you can select, and you can also choose your own color presets. But let's just start with this design, and Squarespace will basically set things up for us, and we'll have the template basically ready in like a minute. Sometimes it can take longer depending on your browser, but as you can see, we now have our Squarespace website, which is one page, and this is amazing for a variety of different things if we just wanted to keep it very simple. And step 2 would be to plan your website. What kind of content, let's say you're a restaurant, what is going to be your site header? What kind of information do you want to have? What kind of pictures, copy, all of that. And I would suggest doing that first because you'll be more organized and you'll know what to edit next. And once you set all that up, you're going to know what your Squarespace needs, and you can even add sections. So you can go and edit and then click add section. You can add a blank section, or there's saved sections. Let's say you wanted to add a testimonial section of someone like reviewing your restaurant food or whatever it is. You could click on it and it'll add it to your Squarespace website. You don't have to add any code unless you wanted to customize it, but it's very easy. Now, let's say you wanted to add more things like a block to a section. So we can add a blank section, and from here we could do add block, and you can add videos. You can add them from your library if you uploaded them, or even a link like a YouTube video. Let's say you had like some sort of YouTube for your restaurant or something and you wanted to add that in there. You could also add lines, text, any kind of buttons. Again, you can combine all of those together to create sections that will work for you. It's very easy to create a one-page website like this on Squarespace. You just need to navigate through the template and add things and plan out your website to know what goes in it. But let's say you wanted to customize it without using any code. Well, you could use Spark plugin to do that, and I'm going to show you exactly how. And here's a few customizations that I think would make your one-page website look really cool. I'm on our demo site right now, so I could show you how it works. But let's say you're on your one-page website and you didn't want this video to show up on mobile. So we're going to click on the video after we install Spark plugin. I forgot to mention that. You first have to install Spark plugin, and then you'll have this icon and you can click on it, and you'll have hundreds of customizations that require no code at all. And then I'm going to click on this video, and I'm going to scroll down to block visibility, and I'm going to switch it on. So I want to hide this on mobile. So obviously it's showing up on desktop. So as you could see, this was right under this section. So now we're on mobile, and we're going to scroll down to that section. And as you can see, that video is not showing on mobile. I did block visibility, not section visibility. If I did section visibility, then this whole entire section wouldn't show. So I can show you how that would look like. We can switch on section visibility, and there you go. It doesn't show it on mobile, but if we go to desktop, we can still see it. Another customization that is really engaging and fun is scroll indicators, and we have one right here, but I want to show you how it looks and how you can edit it. So let me move this over here. So we have this section here, and we can select from a few different ones. There's chevron, mouse wheel, arrow, scroll text, or sketch arrow, and then you can change the color of it to whatever you'd like. You can change the position of it. There's vertical and horizontal. You can change the animation speed to whatever you like. Now let's say you wanted to add a mobile menu on your desktop without using no code. No problem. We're going to use Spark plugin. Click on the header and scroll down to header layouts and just click on mobile menu. And there you go. You now have a mobile menu on your Squarespace website. I'm going to exit so I could show you what it looks like. And there you go. Now you have that without using any code at all. And there you have it. Now you know how to build a one-page website on Squarespace, and wasn't it easy? If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.